Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the Bandletic Compatible Apple Watch Series 1046mm band. A double-sided wearable silicone magnetic strap that's compatible with a huge range of Apple Watch models. This band comes in multiple sizes, 42, 44, 45, 46, and 49mm. So whether you have the newest Apple Watch or one of the older models, this strap has you covered. And for those of you wondering about style, it's designed with dual colors on each side, giving you 4 different looks from just one band, so you can switch styles depending on your mood or occasion without any hassle. The design of this band is thoughtfully upgraded for comfort and durability. It's made from soft, high-quality silicone, which makes it lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. The band's structure has been optimized to reduce stress points, which significantly improves its durability. So you won't have to worry about it breaking after a few weeks. Plus, it's waterproof, sweat-resistant, tear-resistant, and dust-proof, meaning it's perfect for anything from a morning jog to an intense gym session. Ergonomically, the band hugs your wrist comfortably without restricting movement. The surface is UV modified, giving it a silky smooth feel while also resisting dust and maintaining its vibrant colors. The width is 24mm, which provides a solid and balanced fit on your wrist, and the magnetic closure system features strong N54 magnets, keeping the band secure during any activity. For extra security, especially for high-intensity activities like swimming, diving, or climbing, it comes with 2 silicone security loops that prevent the band from slipping or coming loose. Setting up the band is simple. The magnetic closure allows for quick adjustments, so you can easily tighten or loosen it without fuss. The dual-sided design is intuitive. Flip the band to switch colors or create a new look without needing to check which side is front or back. This makes it an excellent choice for people who love versatility and style in their accessories. In terms of compatibility, this band fits almost all wrists ranging from 5.9 to 7.9 inches, making it a great unisex option. Whether you're using it for running, cycling, yoga, casual wear, or even dressing up for a special event, the Bandletic magnetic silicone strap provides both style and functionality. It's a premium band for outdoor enthusiasts, with a focus on adventure, durability, and everyday comfort. So if you're looking to upgrade your Apple Watch band to something stylish, versatile, and secure, the Bandletic double-sided magnetic silicone strap is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns and honest reviews. Thanks for watching.